Yellow.
Did you find that? Whoa.
Oh, jeez. She's fast.
Yeah, she is. Get that. Okay, here we go. Let's get a runner going. It's a runner. It's a runner. Get that runner.
Oh, wow. She's actually using her paws to pin.
Yeah. Good coordination. Definitely a higher drive. Oh, wow.
Jeez.
It's a shark.
She's pretty sharp on her turns.
Yeah, she is.
I can't keep up with her.
Is that your bird? Is that your bird, honey?
She's like, give it. Oh my God. You're kidding me.
Good. That is good.
Oh my gosh. Check her out.
Oh, wow.
You want to keep that one?
I might think about it. Oh, there you go, girl. Oh, there you go, girl. Oh, it's gonna run. It's gonna run. Oh, she's right on it, too. Good reflexes. Man.
Oh my God.